have been go down already, maybe. All leaves had gone, just like that, because autumn and gone now, because it's coming up on winter, on this Saturday coming up, May Day, after Good May Day, all leaves had gone straight down, all the way up in the park. So, right, so, wow, yeah. So, I don't like to get cold myself. When you walk in the park, got to keep yourself warm, that's it, but it's possible, isn't it? Go to the park, it's not shy, everywhere, for some more rain, windy, it's not shy, not windy. Wow, do you know what I mean? Exactly. So, I short my walk, do me good, fresh air, that's the main thing I do, very cool, honestly. So, anyway, you take care of yourself either where you are today, tomorrow.